Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. In this video, we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on the Alfa Laval Unique Mixproof Process valve, using our tools and service kit with genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. Whenever possible, demount the valve from the pipeline before dismantling any parts. How to assemble an Alfa Laval Unique Mixproof Process valve. Begin by lubricating and fitting the O-ring in the upper sealing element. Make sure the O-ring is not twisted. Then lubricate and fit the lip seal and the guide ring in the upper sealing element. Next, lubricate and insert the guide ring and the lip seal in the upper plug. Remove the existing O-ring from the lower plug. Lubricate and fit the new O-ring in the lower plug. Now press the lower plug into the upper plug through the lip seal. Be careful not to damage the lips when the lower plug with the O-ring passes the lip seal. Push up the lock over the piston rod. Then place the spindle liner on the piston rod and fit the upper sealing element in the yoke. Now fit the plug assembly. Next, mount the clamp parts on the spindle liner. Slide the coupling lock over the clamp parts. Then fit the plastic lock. Supply compressed air to the air connection marked SL. Using the Alfa Laval service tool, counterhole the upper stem and tighten the lower plug to the required torque as stated in the instruction manual. Next, release the compressed air. Now, reassemble the valve. Start by lubricating and fitting the O-ring, lip seal and guide ring in the lower sealing element. Then fit the lower sealing element in the lower valve body. Next, lubricate and fit the lower clamp. Tighten to the required torque as stated in the instruction manual. Supply compressed air to the air connection. Mount the actuator along with the internal valve parts from the valve body. Then lubricate the clamp threads and fit and tighten the upper clamp. Be sure to follow the guidelines for the maximum recommended torque from the instruction manual. Finally, release the compressed air. To maintain the Alfa Laval Unique Mixproof Process valve, these tools are required. Always remember to read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure you cover all maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. When servicing Alfa Laval equipment, always wear appropriate personal protection equipment. Thank you for watching.